Hello, Amar Kumar Paswan. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, Amar Kumar, today what is your query?
Sir, please decode tion.
Okay, so guys, he is Amar Kumar Paswan, belong to Samastipur, Bihar, and right now he is in Rajasthan to learn English silence letter. And guys, today he has query about tion. Guys, what is the tion? tion is the suffixes in the English language. Is that clear? And the means of tion in Hindi is shun. If we use tion as a suffixes with the English words, then we pronounce, for example, action, nation, fraction, information, addition, subtraction, multiplications, etc. etc. So guys, if you use tion as a suffixes with the English words, then you know it will pronounce in Hindi as like shun. Is that clear? So guys, if you like this knowledge, then you can follow us at our social media handles. And guys, if you want to archive English tricky videos of the English silence later, then you can visit at our official website, whose official URL link is www.nvea.in. And guys, you can contact us at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.